is performing an extremely important function.
These guys train all year long for their performance here at Miramar. And I'm not kidding you about they have all of this sucking power by these big engines that are located in the truck that actually suck up the pod from the starter car.
Well, the gear has been tucked up on the War Dog. He's going to be full throttle when the time comes. And here's the deal, folks. We're going to do a race. And the handicap is that the Texan that is being flown by John Culver can only get to about 200-something miles an hour. But he'll have a diving start. It'll be a standing start handicap for the jet truck. Look at this thing. Mark Smith is a driver. He's been doing this for over 25 years.
And I'm surprised that yesterday he was sandbagging, is what I think. I really do. I think he thought, let Johnny take it yesterday. And then, he'll just wax him today. I think that's what we're going to see.
He's got afterburners on it. It's a fifth stage of a jet engine. Watch this, right there. And there you have, ladies and gentlemen, the world's biggest big white gentleman. We have this fire truck that's going to belch.
Up here.
Yeah, we should get him up here.
He's just call the race.
Belching fire. Going to have a race here.
There they go. I heard it is race on now. Rob, call the speeds.
There's 150, 175.
Oh my goodness, where is he?
He's got the 220, 260, 270, 280, 280, 291. And John beat him again. I think, wow.
What? It is race on, Miramar, between John Melby and Aftershock, the fire truck. Rob, what are we seeing on speeds?
175, 225, 275, 300, 310, 310. Oh, it was a draw. It was a better start on this one. 310 miles an hour.